Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video I am reviewing last year's budget-friendly flagship phone, which is Poco F3. So let's start the video. This smartphone has two color variants, one is black and the other is white. The design of this smartphone is really amazing with a sleeky look. Back of this phone is made of a very high quality glass and the frame is made of plastic. Poco F3 is a very lightweight smartphone with just 190 grams. The grip and in-hand feel of this device is very premium. Poco F3 has a big battery of 45 mAh with a super fast charging of 33 watts, which charges your phone from 0 to 100% in less than 1 hour. And this battery can easily give you a one-day backup with regular use, even with a highest quality display. Poco F3 is loaded with a flagship series processor, which is Snapdragon 870, which comes with 5G technology. This chipset is capable of doing all kind of heavy tasks like editing or gaming like PUBG, Call of Duty, etc. And these high graphics games runs like a charm on this phone. Let's talk about the display of Poco F3, which is Super AMOLED with 1 billion plus colors and the refresh rate is 120Hz and 1080p resolution. This display can support video playing up to 4K. The size of the display is 6.5 inches and screen to body ratio is 84.3%. Talking about the camera, this device comes with 48 megapixel triple rear camera setup with a lot of features like short video, portrait, slow mode, time lapse, night mode, panorama and many more. Here you can see some of the pictures captured from the main camera of this smartphone. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the videos, and I will see you in the next one.